हाय एवरीवन, मेकअप एंड ब्यूटी चैनल में आपका स्वागत है। आज का जो वीडियो है वो है अनबॉक्सिंग वीडियो ऑल फ्रॉम फैबबैग। तो अगस्त के महीना शुरू हो गया है और इसी के साथ मेरा फैबबैग भी आ गया है। तो आई जस्ट थॉट दैट व्हाई नॉट आई जस्ट सिट बैक एंड डू दिस अनबॉक्सिंग वीडियो asap so that you can see that what all the products I received in this month of फैबबैग। Let me tell you before I start this video, इस बार का जो फैबबैग है वो मुझे ज्यादा पसंद नहीं आया। There are many reasons why I didn't like this month फैबबैग। Again, I will say that if you are a teenager and you need makeup, then this month फैबबैग is perfect and just made for you। क्यों? उसके लिए आपको देखना पड़ेगा ये पूरा वीडियो। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं। तो शुरू में मैं आपको दिखाना चाहती हूँ कि इस मंथ के फैबबैग दिखने में कैसा है। So this month फैबबैग look like this। This is very classy kind of फैबबैग of this month, which I really like it. So this is how the fab look like. All you just have to open this bag like so. So without further ado, let me show you all the product. The theme of this month fab is the lash and line. And let me tell you a secret. There is something that is totally related to this month theme of fab। तो चलिए अब मैं दिखाती हूँ कौन से सारे प्रोडक्ट्स आई रिसीव, सो दैट अगर आप इस मंथ के फैबबैग को सब्सक्राइब करते हो तो फिर आपको यही सारी चीजें मिलने वाली है। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं। अगर आप इस मंथ के फैबबैग को सब्सक्राइब करने वाले हो, देन लेट मी टेल यू वन थिंग दैट यू आर गोइंग टू गेट two full size makeup product in this month of fैबबैग। They are one gel eyeliner with the brush and the other one is the mascara, all from the brand Tintin। So let me show you both the product one by one। The first product is Tintin gel eyeliner। It is rich black in shade। This one is a full size gel eyeliner which is price rupees 449 and this comes up in this kind of packaging। इसका जो packaging है वो बहुत ही cute सा packaging है। As you can see, it comes up with a brush also and this is how the gel liner look। So this is the first product that I received in this month of फैबबैग। तो चलिए इसका एक छोटा सा रिव्यू मैं देना चाहती हूँ because I just applied this gel eyeliner today and it is a very quick kind of review that I want to share with you all। The thing is about this gel eyeliner is this gel eyeliner is very dry। Yes। Now let's see the swatch of this gel liner where I'm going to talk little bit more about this gel liner। Along with that, I am going to show you something very important regarding this gel eyeliner। So let me tell you, when I just first opened this gel eyeliner and I just tried to use it with a brush, let me tell you, it was not even got a single scratch with the brush because it was that much dried up। ये जो जेल आईलाइनर है वो इतना ही सूख गया था, कितना भी मैंने ब्रश को घुमाया, it was not taking out any single amount of product from the pot। मैंने ट्राई किया था little bit of applying pressure on the brush ताकि थोड़ा सा जेल आईलाइनर निकल जाए, but no, the gel eyeliner was टाइटली ड्राइड अप इन द पॉट। तो नेक्स्ट मैंने क्या किया है, इसको यूज करने के लिए मैंने यूज किया है इंग्लॉट के ड्यूरालाइन। अगर आपको नहीं पता है कि ये क्या चीज है तो लेट मी टेल यू दैट दिस इंग्लॉट ड्यूरालाइन इज अ मिक्सिंग मीडियम फॉर योर ऑल ड्राइड अप लिपस्टिक्स और आईलाइनर्स और जेल आईलाइनर्स, और यू कैन ऑल्सो मेक आईलाइनर्स फ्रॉम योर आई शेडो using this Inglot Duraline। It is actually a small bottle of product that you can use in multiple way। मैंने क्या किया है, मैंने 2-3 drops of this Inglot Duraline इस pot में डाल दिया है and now I am swirling the brush inside the pot and you can see that the liner is just coming out on the brush। Can you just guess that how much dried up it was in the pot? So अगर आप इस मंथ के फैबबैग को सब्सक्राइब करते हैं then you are going to get this gel eyeliner which is totally dried up I think। So make sure that you have this kind of Inglot Duraline और पैक के भी एक मिक्सिंग मीडियम आते हैं। You should have either of this product in your stash ताकि आप ये जेल आईलाइनर यूज कर सकते हो। Otherwise this gel eyeliner is super pigmented as you can see और मैंने ये आज अपने आईज पे भी यूज किया है as a liner and also as a काजल and also in the demo video as you can see it is definitely jet black in color। The texture is very good and yes, when I just tried to remove this gel eyeliner with a wet wipes from my hand, as you can see it was not removing। So a oil based makeup remover is very much necessary to remove this liner, otherwise ये liner smudge स्मच प्रूफ है, ट्रांसफर प्रूफ है एंड डेफिनेटली ये लॉन्ग स्टे है ऑन योर आईज एंड दैट्स व्हाई यू कैन यूज इट एज ए लाइनर एंड ऑल्सो ऑन योर वाटर लाइन, बिकॉज हमारे वाटर लाइन पे कोई भी काजल ज़्यादा टाइम तक नहीं टिकते हैं. सो आई थिंक दैट दिस जेल आईलाइनर इज जस्ट परफेक्ट टू योर वाटर लाइन. अगर आपके आई सेंसिटिव ना हो और अगर आपको इस जेल आईलाइनर से कोई भी इरिटेशन ना हो, then you can also apply this gel eyeliner on your waterline just as a kajal and you can see how beautiful it is. So yes, this is all about a short review over this gel eyeliner, and let me tell you, I really like this gel eyeliner. I have only one problem, and that is the pot was totally dried when I just got it. So yes, this is the first product that I received in this month of February. Now moving on to the second product. The second product that I received is this Tintin Super Sizer Fiber Mascara. This one is also in black and it is a full size, which is priced rupees 549. So this is the outer carton box of the mascara. Let me show you the mascara. This is how the mascara look like. The wand of this mascara is really good. The lashes doesn't stick with each other while applying this mascara, which is one of the best thing regarding this mascara. तो चलिए अब देखते हैं डेमो वीडियो जहाँ पे मैंने ये मस्कारा यूज किया है on my lashes so that you can see how beautiful the mascara is. Overall, I really like this mascara. Moving on to the third product. The third product that I received is this Nysa Cream Deep Province Face and Body Scrub. Now this is a full size, which is priced rupees 249, and this is how the body scrub packaging look like. The fourth product that I received is this Mont Surf Lavender Soothing and Foaming Facial Mask. It is a full size facial mask, which is priced rupees 200. Lavender is definitely one of my favorite fragrance, so definitely I'm going to try out this sheet mask. Moving on to the fifth product. The fifth product that I received is this Tejas Blend Lavender Foot Mist. This is a full size product, which is priced rupees 399. All you had to do, you just had to make the most of it. You just have to spray this on the feet as required and let it dry normally. This actually remove all the feet smell that we usually have if our feet sweat a lot in a covered shoe most of the time. So I think this is one of the best product. So definitely I'm going to use this foot spray on my kid because his shoe smells too bad. I need this foot spray for him. So yes, this is the fifth product from this month of February. Now again this happened and I don't know why, but let me show you the sixth and the last product of this month February that has not been mentioned in the card of the February that I received, along with all the products where all the details of all the products were written, and that is this Skinnylicious Cucumber Gel. This one is priced rupees 299 and you can see it is a full size product. Now this product was not mentioned in the card that I received along with the February, and I don't know why. Maybe it is a bonus product that I received in this month of February. So yes, these are all the products that I received in this month of February. Let me tell you, this month February are kind of okay for me, but that is only because the eyeliner, which is very dry. Otherwise all the products are really good. I really like the mascara and the liner also when I just added Inglot Duraline. Otherwise, as you can see, the liner is very pigmented, how jet black it is, and you can also see that it is staying intact on my eyes without any kind of smudging. I really like this eyeliner. अगर आप 3, 6 या फिर 12 मंथ के सब्सक्रिप्शन लेते हो देन डोंट फॉरगेट टू चेक आउट माय डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स. देयर इज अ कूपन कोड ऑफ माइन which you can apply and you can get 10% discount on your entire order. So yes, that's all for today. I hope you like this video and find it helpful. Do comment below in the comment section and let me know your thoughts regarding this video. I am signing off with a promise to be back in another video pretty soon. Until then, stay beautiful and stay stylish. Bye.